adopted in 1840 has as its main consequence the regrouping of Upper and Lower Canada into a single colony called the Province of Canada. The political structure of the new colony is not very different from that previously in place. The Queen and the British government remain the rulers of the colony and are represented by the governor. However, instead of having 2 executive and 2 legislative councils as before Union, one for Upper Canada and one for Lower Canada, there was only one of each type. Prior to 1840, Upper and Lower Canada also had their own publicly elected Houses of Assembly. After the Act of Union was passed, there is now a single house for the whole province of Canada, which is now called the Legislative Assembly. In this assembly, Upper Canada and Lower Canada each have 42 elected representatives, even though the population of Lower Canada, 650,000, is higher than that of Upper Canada, 450,000. What this means is that Anglophones from the less populous Upper Canada are proportionally more numerous in the legislature, a fact that is explained by one of the objectives of the Union being to assimilate French Canadians by making them a political minority in relation to English Canadians when the whole House sits together. Even though the 2 former colonies were united into one political entity, the people continued to use the terms Lower Canada and Upper Canada. Differences between the 2 regions persist, which explains, among other things, the creation of 2 separate provinces from the Province of Canada during the Canadian Federation of 1867, Quebec and Ontario.